Hello TL Travelers and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are in the Gili Islands. We are in Gili Minnow, or we are staying in Gili Minnow, but the plan today is to head to GILI TRAWANGAN, because if you don't know too much about these islands, Gili Minnow is a beautiful spot and kind of like a honeymoon spa destination, but Gili T is where all the action happens. So there are two boats, basically a fast boat and a slow boat, that go back and forth between all of the islands, connect all the islands from Minnow, and the schedule is going to change depending on like what island you start at, obviously, and where you're going between. But for us here, we have the slow boat that leaves 4 times a day, and then we have the fast boat that essentially leaves every hour. So for us to Minnow, the fast boat is $8.50 per person, and the slow boat is $3.50. So our plan is to head over on the fast boat, head back on the slow boat, and just enjoy our day. And we are going to bring you with us, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have made it to the island of Gili T. When you get off of the fast boat, like from the pier, you can either go left, which is like more, there's like some surfing out that way, and then more like hotels, a few shops, that kind of thing. There's an ATM like right across from the pier, and then if you go to your right is more like, I call it like Old Town, because that's sort of like all the shops that were there the first time that we were here 6 years ago. Like all of that is still kind of the same, and there's more like hostels and like smaller hotels and other restaurants and shops and that kind of stuff down that way. So the hotel that TL Travel uses for our group getaways and like for other bookings is to the left. So we're gonna head down that way first and grab a bite to eat, because I am starving, and then we're just gonna sort of like walk around and do some exploring and bring you with us for that. Yay! Delicious. And then I got a chickpea burger with potato wedges and salad. We are home. Holy cow, I don't know how it's so hot out right now. Like so hot. So we took the last fast boat home from the Gilis. We were gonna do fast boat on the way there and then slow boat on the way back, but the times just weren't adding up, and I had some things that I wanted to do, some hotels that I wanted to check out, you know, so we decided to fast boat it home. One tip that I will give if you're traveling in the Gilis, like right now it's fairly low season, so everything is fairly empty, like there's no lines for things, that kind of stuff, but there were only a couple of spots left on the fast boat for the time home that we wanted. So in high season, I would recommend, like if you know what time you want to come back and on what boat, to book your return fare for that time when you arrive at the pier, because the last thing that you really want to do is be stuck on, you know, another island that your hotel is not on. So anyways, that is going to be it for me for today and our adventure in the Gili Islands. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in, where do we go next? Jimbaran. Bye for now.